To get to the Reports module, click on the menu in the upper left-hand corner, and then locate and click on the Reports option. This should be available in every module within OpenPoint. So when you first get to the Reports module, you will get a list of every single report that is available to you based on your security role in the system. The simplest thing to do when you get here is to go and click on a report to run it. And to do that, first you locate the card. So in this case, I want to run the CPR Ledger Entry History Report. And then I will click on Start. And now it will prompt me for the criteria that will help to define what results show up in the report. So I'm going to go ahead and select all these options. I'm going to enter a city, and I'm going to type in a year, and then I will put in a plan account. So notice too that the Create button did not light up until I entered all of the required fields. So once the button lights up, you can click on Create. And this is where it will now generate the results in Microsoft Excel. And this is a fairly straightforward report. It does have some built-in capabilities like the filtering and searching within a column. Other reports have slicers. Some will have charts and graphs. Some are based on tables, such as this one. A lot of the functionality that's available in Excel is also available in OpenPoint reports. So let's take a look at cards. Every report option is displayed in the form of a card, as you can see from this first option here. At the very top, you're going to see the title of the report. And then secondarily, you'll have a subheading. So the subheading is just going to provide some additional supportive information about the report. Below that is the description. So in this case, this highlighted area is the description, and it will provide detailed information about the report. After that, we have the tags. A report can have one or more tags associated to it. When a tag is clicked on, then the report module will filter and show all reports that have that particular tag in it. You can also search inside the search box and type in a tag, and it will also filter by that same tag. At the bottom of the card, the heart is the favorite, and to set that, you just click on it. And then next to that is the help file that's associated to it. The help files can be overridden with a customer-specific version of a report documentation. So in case you have something specific you want to communicate to your users for that particular report, you can do that. And then like we saw before, you click on Start to actually launch the report. Okay, so let's look at searching for reports. So to do that, you just click inside of the search box and you type in either a tag, part of the title, or part of the description, and it will search across all reports looking for that particular match. So I'm going to type in CPR Ledger, and then you'll get a list of everything that has CPR Ledger in it somewhere in that report card. So if you look through these, it'll either be in the description or in the title, somewhere in there, it'll indicate that. And so once you've done a search, you can then simply click on the card to run the report. So looking at tags, I'm going to go ahead and click on the CPR tag, and you'll see that we've got a list of CPR related reports that come up after that. One thing about the tags, clicking on that, is it will also search any text in the description or the title as well. So it could be either in the description, title, or in the tag itself. So favorites is something that allows you as the user to indicate what reports are the most common ones that you use. So when you select something to be a favorite, you're just clicking on the heart to turn it on and add it to your favorites as it indicates there below. Or you can deselect it, and that will then remove from your favorites list. There is a drop down in the upper part of the reports bar at the top there. When you click on that, you can select to look just at your favorites. You can look at both your favorites and non-favorites, which is the all option, or the ones that are not favorited. And so if I want to look at just my favorites that have CPR Ledger in them, then I would select the favorites option and then just type in CPR Ledger, and then it's going to only search within the favorites. If I want to do the opposite, I would pick not favorited and then I could look at the ones that have CPR ledger in them but are not favorited. Or like the default case, if you do all, then it will search across favorited and not favorited reports. Another thing to note as well is that favorited reports will always filter to the top by default. So the reports are displayed in alphabetical order, but there's two groupings: the favorited ones with the hearts, and then the non-favorited ones come after that.